Watching the trend, Davido the trend. Two reasons. Number one, he come out for news recently. Say Davido. A few days ago yesterday, say Davido don't sue the mother of one of his babies, Imade, and I be the baby name, of course. Now Sophia Momodu, yes, those two of them get one picking a girl, and of course they say Davido don't sue I go court because of custody issues and all that. I come the rumor who they hear say Blas say she they deny Davido access to the picking and all that. Now I don't get problem if woman no wants make the husband or the person where she born for. If you no want make the see the picking, or if the man no want make the woman see the picking, as long as say the person a bad person. For instance, if you be lady, you born pikin for man, and the man know they take care of, you know they take care of the baby, you know they accept responsibility, they misbehave. Then if you want to keep the pikin away from the man, you they justified because the man know they do anything about the pikin. Same thing as a man, if now you there with the pikin and the woman know they show care and concern, you don't want anything to do with the baby and all that, or you know they play their own part in bringing up the child. You get right to say, look, I don't want me to come here because you don't want to do anything to the pikin, you don't want anything to do with this baby, so fine. Stay away. But in this case, I noticed that won't be the case because we don't even see. Get one some years ago when we see Davido they give her 300k a month as her pocket money allowance, and then they pay for the house where she they stay, they take care of the girl's school fees and every daughter's school fees and everything. We don't even see different events where Davido go party and all the children birthday party when Davido will go with the baby. And I remember one time when the baby and Tiwa Savage son they play together, they go. So Davido, everything what would they see? Now say Davido na papa where they show saying get pikin, they carry the daughter. Now they carry the daughter along, so they won't show say yes, now my daughter, they take care of them and all that. Alright. If you get personal issues with Sophia, of course, personal issues go there. Now I'm not sure they don't be married, they don't marry and all that. The baby if you want me they marry, if you don't want so many things there, but as long as say the lady or the man they show care and concern, they take care of their responsibility where you get to do with the pikin, whether na male or female child, it no matter. Both of them, the couple, supposed get access to the baby. In a situation where one person go want to use the pikin as weapon or as a fight, say okay, because now me get with the pikin now, I no go let you see him. I know they say you no good. I mean, now if one person a bad person, you know they take care of your responsibility, don't want anything to do with the pikin. Now if you say okay, I'll keep the pikin away from this person because you know they playing role. Why one can't get access to the pikin, but anybody they playing role deserve to get access to the pikin. No, they use pikin. They punish your partner, the person where you born for, because say una know they together, and it can go both ways. If he be man, so I know some men where be say, I know your stories of men be say, now then get custody of the pikin, they punish the woman, then they let the woman see the pikin because why? Say because the woman no agree marry them. Girl don't born for you, say no one marry you, and then you go call this deny the girl access to the pikin, even though the girl won't do anything for the pikin, like they say no. Some people they go as far as poisoning the pikin, tell us that your father now useless man, no trust men, no. I know girls who don't grow up. They tell you say my mama tell me say my papa na useless. Meanwhile, the woman deny the man access to the pikin, then come they poison the pikin mind. No law say if you born pikin for man, the man must marry you. Or no law say if woman born pikin for you, you must marry the woman. Alright? But I decide to marry na personal decision. But I don't make decision we don't bring into the world the child. Both of them deserve to take care of the child. The child deserves the love of the father and the love of the mother too. I don't know what thing they happen, but at the end of the day, that's why we be human beings we get law and order. So now courts go determine now whether Davido they playing role, she know they play a role, whether she they deny him or not. Me no get opinion on the matter. I just dey talk say anybody we born for person, if una never marry, una don't divorce, or una be single baby father, baby mother, whatever. Both of them deserve to get input into the life of the pikin.